So then you just undo the right nut, take it off. It's got a nylon thread on the inside which keeps it on, keeps from falling off. You pull off the small washer, pull off the wheel, pull off the spacer, pull off the big washer that goes up against the cooler. Noting that the wheel has a longer axle side that always faces the cooler. Once that's done, you just pull on this side. The other cooler is going to be harder to do. Just pull the axle out and then just take it apart. You leave this nut on the axle, you don't have to take it off. Then you just reverse the process. Big washer, spacer inside the wheel, little washer, and then the nut. And then you just...
Why would you need to take those things off in the first place?
When you're transporting.
Oh, okay.
So when it's packed up and shipped down to Georgia or wherever. So when you get there, you put it together like this so that the washer's on the inside. If you need a rubber mallet to help you, you grab the rubber mallet out of the tool bag and you slide it in so that the big washer's up against the cooler. The axle, longer axle, is coming in, the spacer's inside, small washer on the outside. You just push it tight and you just reverse the process. You put the big washer on, put the spacer on, make sure the longer axle is up next to the cooler, little spacer. You have extra axle nuts, so you might want to put a fresh nylon one on. We'll have many of those, so you only need one per gig week because once it goes on. Then your 1/2-inch wrenches, which will be in the toolbox, tool bag, and you just make sure it's on the axle a little bit. Don't want to over tighten so the wheels don't turn. That should do it. Boom.